Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how I make my Jamaican rum punch. So there are my ingredients right there. So first I'm gonna put some ice in my glass, and that's a very big glass. So I'm gonna put like 8 cubes of ice into my glass right there. So then I'm gonna add some white rum. That's Jamaican white rum. So I'm gonna put like half cup of white rum inside my glass. So now I'm gonna pour it inside my glass with my ice, and I'm gonna do the same with my grenadines. I'm gonna use the same amount as the white rum, so half cup of grenadines inside my cup. So I pour it inside my cup with my ice right there. So guys, I'm gonna squeeze my lemon right now, and I'm gonna squeeze out every juice out of my lemon. Squeeze, and now I'm gonna add my lemon to my cup, to my glass. Why am I saying cup? Here's my measuring cup. So I'm going to put 1 cup of orange juice, and that's natural orange juice. I'm going to pour it inside the glass with the rum, the lemon, and the grenadines. Right this, so yeah. So well, I'm going to use my spoon. I'm going to mix in. I'm going to mix. I'm going to mix in all my ingredients into my glass. Look at that color. Look at that color, so beautiful. Oh my god. Yes guys, so I'm gonna garnish it right now. So I'm gonna put a slice of lemon on top of my glass to finish it. Wow, look at that presentation. How beautiful, how delicious. So guys, right now I'm gonna try it on camera. I'm gonna see. So guys, me tell you, it tastes good. You see, it tastes good. It tastes so good. Me no remedy, no. Me no drink alcohol, but them say sometimes liquor alcohol good for the system. And that time me did a battle with a 2-week flu. Yes, and the rum kind of lick out the flu out of my system. So guys, me gonna tell you right now, if you don't subscribe to my channel, please go over and subscribe. Put on your post notifications so you know each time I upload a video. And also, don't forget to share out my video. And put a like on the video too. I wanna stay some, man. Put a like on the video. That's how I make my Jamaican rum punch. Bye guys.